At EMM, we strive for partnership and transparency while ensuring the utmost integrity in our products and processes. As a 100% family-owned and operated company, we are able to control and provide immediate oversight into all areas of our business together. Exact Medical Manufacturing Incorporated, EMM, is located in the heart of the Yangtze River Delta, Changzhou's New North District, 2 hours northwest of Shanghai. EMM is an industry-leading medical supply company headquartered in Buffalo, New York, with our auxiliary office, EMM BV, located in Nieuwkoop, the Netherlands. Since opening our doors in 1996, EMM's diverse multilingual staff has matured to 700+ employees in our 2 privately owned facilities. With technical and sales professionals in both the United States and Europe, whom offer communication and management of business relationships unlike typical Chinese manufacturers. Focusing on manufacturing, research and development, and sales in the medical supply field, we have maintained consistent growth towards our goal of becoming a leader in the industry, while setting the highest quality standard for our diverse line of products. Our product line includes, but is not limited to, high-performance AMI-2, AMI-3, and AMI-4 surgical gowns, operating room surgical procedural drapes, equipment covers and sheaths for the operating room, surgical kits, face shields, and scope warmers. EMM is committed to producing millions of units of various products each month. Therefore, it is our job to ensure each piece is made from the highest quality materials that ultimately touch the lives of millions of people throughout the world. We have a responsibility that the interaction patients have with our products is a positive event. We have built strong relationships with well-known GLP-certified laboratories and universities in the industry, and work in synchrony with our colleagues in Europe and the United States. Our systematic approach to quality ensures exceptional service in all aspects of our company, from material sourcing, validation, production, packaging, and delivery, all while maintaining our continuous pursuit of the perfect integration of science, technology, and clinical needs. Aided by our in-house laboratories, our leading engineering and RA/QA staff have the experience and capability to customize and develop products for our customers and their ever-changing medical technology demands. This has resulted in EMM obtaining numerous patents. EMM's commitment to quality is proven during the experience had by our end users. EMM has 3 ISO Class 8 equivalent manufacturing rooms, which exercise strict control over personal gowning and hygiene, material handling, and environment monitoring, ensuring a closed and controlled production environment. Multiple validated automatic production lines, advanced production equipment, and accurate inspection equipment assist with synchronizing operations. EMM abides by our leading medical product quality management system. Compliance include ISO 13485 and CE certificate, as well as FDA registration. From raw material receipt to finished product inspection, packaging, sterilization, and logistics, we are there for you every step of the way. EMM is your source for sterile and non-sterile goods that are exported to the Americas, Europe, Australia, and many other countries. We deliver product direct to our customer's door, as well as having strategic warehousing in Texas and the Netherlands to accommodate customers large and small alike. Manufacturing with integrity is EMM's philosophy. Gaining and keeping your trust is imperative to long-term successful business partnerships with our customers.
As EMM continues our pursuit of becoming the world's leading overall solution provider in the medical device field, we look forward to the future of medical science aiding with your innovation and development. Our customer success is our success.
At EMM, we truly strive to earn your trust with high quality, consistent production, expanding growth with our existing customers as well as new customers. After all, we are Exact Medical and strive every day to live up to the principles our company is built on.